In the year 1848, a young boy named Andrew Carnegie stepped off a ship onto the shores of America, his heart pounding with a mixture of fear and hope. At just 12 years old, he arrived with nothing but the clothes on his back and an unyielding determination to carve out a better life. Born in Scotland in 1835, Andrew came from a lineage marked by poverty and struggle. His family, driven by the relentless grip of hunger, sought refuge in the land of opportunity, a promise that whispered sweetly in their ears. The streets of Pittsburgh were a far cry from the rolling hills of his homeland. They were alive with the sounds of industry, a cacophony of hammers striking metal, steam engines roaring, and the relentless hustle of workers. But for Andrew, these sounds were not merely background noise. They were the symphony of possibility. He quickly learned that survival in this new world demanded more than just dreams. It required grit, resilience, and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. At the tender age of 13, Andrew found himself toiling away in a textile mill, laboring long hours for a meager wage. The work was grueling, the conditions harsh, but within the depths of that mill, a fire ignited in his soul. He observed, absorbed, and learned. While others saw a monotonous grind, Andrew saw lessons in every task. His keen mind and relentless curiosity set him apart. He was not just a boy, he was a sponge, soaking up every bit of information he could find. Within 2 short years, his perseverance paid off. At 15, he became a telegraph operator, a role that would open doors he never dreamed possible. The flickering lights of the telegraph office illuminated his path, connecting him to a world of communication and opportunity. By the time he turned 24, he had ascended to the position of railroad manager, steering the very arteries of commerce that pulsed through the nation. Each advancement was not merely a job, it was a testament to his unyielding spirit and vision. But Andrew Carnegie was not one to rest on his laurels. He possessed a unique ability to see opportunities where others saw obstacles. In the heart of the booming industrial age, he recognized the potential of steel. While others hesitated, burdened by fear of failure, Carnegie dove headfirst into the steel industry. With a bold vision, he founded the Carnegie Steel Company, and in doing so, he became a titan of industry. The 1890s marked a turning point, not only for Carnegie, but for America itself. His steel played a pivotal role in constructing railroads, bridges, and skyscrapers, shaping the very infrastructure of modern America. The skyline of cities transformed, reaching for the heavens, a reflection of the ambition that coursed through Carnegie's veins. He was not just building structures, he was laying the foundation for a new era of innovation and progress. Yet, as his wealth grew, so too did his sense of responsibility. Carnegie understood that true success was not measured in dollars and cents, but in the impact one has on the lives of others. His heart, forged in the fires of his own struggles, led him to a profound realization. With great wealth comes great obligation. He became a champion of philanthropy, dedicating his life to giving back to the community that had given him so much. Libraries sprang up across the nation, each one a beacon of knowledge, a testament to his belief in the power of education. Schools and universities flourished under his generous donations, providing countless children with the opportunity to learn, grow, and dream. He established foundations that would ensure his legacy endured long after he was gone, creating pathways for others to follow in his footsteps. Carnegie's story is not just one of personal fortune. It is a saga of transformation, resilience, and the unwavering belief that greatness is forged through hard work and vision, not merely inherited. He understood that every great empire begins with a single step, a step taken in faith, fueled by determination, and guided by a desire to uplift others. As we reflect on Carnegie's journey, we are reminded that the road to success is rarely a straight path. It is fraught with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Yet, within those struggles lies the essence of what it means to be human. It is in our ability to rise, to adapt, and to persist that we find our true strength. Andrew Carnegie's legacy is a clarion call to dreamers and doers alike. His life teaches us that no matter where we begin, we have the power to shape our destinies. Each of us carries within us the potential to create change, to build bridges, and to inspire others. It is a reminder that the pursuit of greatness is not a solitary endeavor. It is a collective journey, a tapestry woven from the threads of countless stories. In a world that often feels divided and uncertain, Carnegie's narrative shines brightly. It is a testament to the indomitable human spirit, a story that urges us to push past our limitations and reach for the extraordinary. His journey reminds us that every challenge can be transformed into an opportunity. Every failure can be a stepping stone to success. And every dream can become a reality with determination and hard work. So, let us take a page from Andrew Carnegie's story. Let us embrace our struggles, cultivate our knowledge, and seize the opportunities that lie before us. In doing so, we honor not only our own journeys, but the legacy of those who came before us, paving the way for future generations to dream big and achieve greatness. The land of winners is not just a place. It is a mindset, a belief that within each of us lies the potential to rise, to overcome, and to leave a lasting impact on the world.